Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agrico's World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs from sugarcane and sugar beet crop. These questions are usually asked in many of the competitive exams related to agriculture. Going on to the sugarcane scientific name is Saccharum officinarum and it belongs to the family Poaceae. And here is our first question. What is the origin of sugarcane? Sugarcane is originated in New Guinea, whereas Saccharum barberi is originated in India. What is the largest agro-based industry in India? The largest agro-based industry in India is textile industry, and in next position the largest agro-based industry is sugarcane. So first is textiles and then is sugarcane. How many species of the sugarcane are cultivated out of the 5 species? 3 species of sugarcane are cultivated. They are Officinarum, Barberi and Sinensis, whereas Robustum and Spontaneum are the other 2 species which are wild species. Saccharum officinarum is also called as noble cane, and this type of cane is thick and it is juicy and it also has low fiber content. Which of the following is wild species of sugarcane? Saccharum robustum and Saccharum spontaneum are the wild species of sugarcane, and these species usually have low sugar when compared to that of the cultivated species. Inflorescence of the sugarcane is known as arrow, and it is terminally produced. Sugarcane is which type of a plant? Sugarcane is a C4 plant. Along with sugarcane, sorghum and maize belongs to C4 plants, and C4 plants have a special anatomy, that is Kranz anatomy is present in the mesophyll cells. How many 3-budded sets are used for planting 1 hectare? For planting 1 hectare, 1,20,000 1-budded sets are used and 80,000 2-budded sets are used, and for planting 1 hectare with 3-budded sets, 35 to 40,000 3-budded sets are used. What is the most commonly used fertilizer for sugarcane crop? The most commonly used fertilizer for sugarcane crop is ammonium sulfate, and it is the best source for providing nitrogen in the normal soils. What is the most commonly used herbicide in sugarcane crop? Atrazine, simazine and allachlor, all of these are the commonly used herbicides in sugarcane crop. What is the method of planting adopted for the coastal areas in the sugarcane crop? Usually, trench method is opted for the coastal areas because to protect the plants from lodging. What is the duration for Atsali sugarcane crop? Based on the time of planting, the sugarcane can be divided into autumn planting, Atsali planting and Exali planting. Atsali planting is for 15 to 18 months and it is planted in the June to July months. Exali sugarcane is planted in which month? Exali crop is planted in the month of January and it is most commonly grown in North India, and the period of harvesting for this type of sugarcane is about 12 months. For planting in sugarcane, top 1/3 to 2/3 portion is only used because it contains high amounts of glucose, and high glucose content favors the proper germination of the sets. Rattooning is followed in which of the crops? Rattooning is followed in sugarcane, red gram and cotton, but it is economical only in the sugarcane crop. What is the most commonly used method of planting in sugarcane? The most commonly used method for planting in sugarcane is the flatbed method because it is of low cost. Germination in sugarcane takes place after how many days after planting? Germination in sugarcane takes place after 60 days after planting. Blind hoeing is followed in which of the following crops? Blind hoeing is an important practice in sugarcane and potato crops, and it is done after planting and before the crop emerges. The main purpose of blind hoeing is to control the weeds. Moving on to the next question. What is the byproduct of sugarcane used for fuel and paper making? Bagasse is used for fuel and paper making, whereas molasses is the byproduct which is used for alcohol production, and pressed mud is used for reclamation of acid soils. For fuel and paper making, bagasse is used. What is the spacing in sugarcane? The spacing which is generally followed in sugarcane is 90 centimeters by 60 centimeters in North India, whereas in South India 90 by 120 centimeters of spacing is followed. The sugar bowl of world is Cuba is known as sugar bowl of world, whereas Uttar Pradesh is called as sugar bowl of India. Sugarcane Breeding Institute in Coimbatore was established in which year? SBI, that is Sugarcane Breeding Institute, was established in the year 1912. National Sugar Institute is present at Kanpur, and Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research is present at Lucknow. Hot water treatment is done at how many degrees centigrade? Hot water treatment is done at 52 degrees centigrade, and it is a set treatment. It is done to reduce the red rot disease. What is the sugar recovery in sugarcane? The sugar recovery in sugarcane is 8 to 10%. Irrigation is given to sugarcane at dash percentage of DASM. DASM is depletion of available soil moisture, and for sugarcane it is given at 50% of DASM. And the water requirement for the sugarcane crop is 1500 to 2500 mm. First hybrid in sugarcane developed in world is the first hybrid in sugarcane which was developed in world is POJ 2875, and this is the hybrid which is developed from Java, and the first hybrid which was developed in India is CO205. What is the first wondercane variety of sugarcane? The first wondercane variety of sugarcane is CO419. What is the most destructive disease of sugarcane? The most destructive disease of sugarcane is red rot, which is caused by Coleotrichum fulcatum. Partha method of planting in sugarcane is followed in. Partha method of planting in sugarcane was proposed by the scientist Parthasarathi, and it is mostly used for the waterlogged and excessive soil moisture conditions of the states of Tamil Nadu and coastal areas of Andhra Pradesh. So our answer is South India. What is the ratio of cane, juice, gur and sugar percent in sugarcane? The answer is 10:9:6:1. Brix reading in sugarcane at maturity is Brix reading is usually measured to identify whether the cane is matured or not, and the Brix reading is taken from the middle portion of the stalk. At maturity, the Brix reading in sugarcane is 18 to 20%. Dead heart symptom in sugarcane is due to which of the following pest? Dead heart is a symptom due to the attack of both early shoot borer and top shoot borer, but in top shoot borer, the dead heart is seen along with the bunchy top appearance. Binding of sugarcane leaves is technically called as the binding of sugarcane leaves is technically known as propping, and it is the operation done to prevent the crop lodging, and it is done in the month of August. Hand refractometer measures. The hand refractometer measures the TSS content, that is the total soluble solids. Distant planting in sugarcane is developed at IISR, that is Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research, which is located at Lucknow. Grassy shoot in sugarcane is due to the attack of phytoplasm. Temporary sugarcane roots for nourishment are called as the temporary roots which provide nourishment and moisture for the growing plant are called as the set roots, whereas the permanent roots which are produced from the lower ring of nodes are known as the shoot roots. So the temporary roots are the set roots. Clarification of sugarcane juice is done by which of the following? Clarification is the process which is done in the sugarcane processing to reduce the viscosity of the sugarcane juice and to improve its purity. It is done by lime, alum and sodium carbonate. So for clarification, all of these are used. What is the low sugar recovery zone in India? Bihar is the state where there will be a low sugar recovery, and it is known as low sugar recovery zone. What is the seed rate of sugar beet in kgs? The seed rate of sugar beet is 8 to 10 kgs per hectare. Sugar beet belongs to which family? Sugar beet belongs to the family Chenopodiaceae. Along with sugar beet, spinach also belongs to the family Chenopodiaceae. What is the optimum plant population in sugar beet? The optimum plant population in sugar beet is 80,000 to 1 lakh plants per hectare. Sugar beet is a C3 plant or a C4 plant. Sugar beet belongs to C3 plants, whereas sugarcane belongs to C4 plant. What is the origin of sugar beet? The origin of sugar beet is Mediterranean. whereas the origin of sugarcane is New Guinea or India. Crop feed competition in sugarcane is at how many days after sowing? The crop feed competition in sugarcane is 90